Hello dear students, in our last video we have seen how to get the sum of the digits present in a number. The similar way we will try to find the largest digit present in a number. Say if the number is 793, so among 7, 9 and 3, 9 is the largest digit present in this number. So we'll have to print this number, and for this also we will use the while loop. So we remember it that whenever we need to find the digits or from the number, then we will have to use the while loop. In all other cases, we generally use the for loop. So now again let's see how it can be done.
Write a program to find the largest digit in a number. So we need to get a number int input so enter the number. Now let the largest L is equal to the last digit, that is n mod 10. N mod 10. The unit digit we are considering it as the largest digit. And now while here also we will use the while, as it is the digit extraction from a number n greater than 0. R is equal to n mod 10. We are repeating it again. Then n is equal to n by 10. Now if R is greater than L, the number that the digit we have extracted, it is more than the L that we have stored, then we will replace the L by the R. So L is equal to R, and finally we will print that is L. Now let's check it. Say the number it is 8573. Here the largest digit it is 8. It is again printing the number. Let's try it again. Enter a number, say 3965. Say this is the number. So it is 9. So it is giving the largest digit of a number.